Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum, easy method. Start with a clean face and hands, then gently pat skin dry, leaving it slightly damp. Dispense a pea-sized drop onto fingertips and warm it between your palms. Press the serum into cheeks, forehead, and chin using gentle upward motions. Allow it to absorb for 30 to 60 seconds before layering moisturizer and sunscreen for best results. In this video, I will explain how to apply L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum, easy method. Dispense a pea-sized amount and warm it between your fingertips to make it spreadable. Gently press the serum into your cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin using upward and outward motions. Focus on drier areas, but keep movements light to avoid irritation. Let the serum sit for about 30 seconds to fully absorb before applying moisturizer. In this video, I will explain how to apply L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum, easy method. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker seen here can bring relaxing music to your skincare routine and keep timers handy while you wait. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful guides. Look in the description for the product link and more deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to apply L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum, easy method. After the serum absorbs, follow with your regular moisturizer and sunscreen in the morning. Use the serum once daily if you have sensitive skin, or twice daily for extra hydration in dry climates. Keep a consistent routine and monitor how your skin responds, reducing use if you notice irritation or excessive dryness from environmental factors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.